Hello, first standard children. Today we are going to learn plants around us in science. So, dear, what you are going to learn here regarding plants? There are many kinds of plants. As you can see, there are big plants and some are small plants. So, after that, what we are going to learn? Parts of a plant. It's very important for you. Parts of the plant. See, what is this? Root. R-O-O-T, root. Next, what it will come dear? Stem. STEM, stem. After that, what you are going to find? Leaf. LEAF, leaf. And then what you are going to find? Flower. FLOWER, flower. So, next, fruit. So, these were all parts of the plants. Now, what we are going to learn, dear children? We are going to learn tree. These are the large plant. They have thick wood stem. A tree lives for many years. See dear, what is tree? Tree is big in size. As you can see in the poster, their wood, it is what called? It is known as trunk. Okay dear children, and tree lives for many years. Okay, see for example, banyan tree. These are examples for what? Tree. After that, what it will come, dear children? Mango tree. Next, what you are going to see? That is palm tree. Okay dear children. After that, one more example what you are going to see? That is pine tree, etc. Now we are going to learn next topic. Okay. Shrubs. What are shrubs? Plant which are small and bushy. See, which will be very small in size and they will be bushy. Their stem will be very soft compared to tree and their size will be also very small. So, examples for such kind of plants are rose plant. After that, what you are going to see? One more example, that is jasmine plant. Okay, what it is? Jasmine plant. After that, one more example you have, that is sunflower. Okay, next is hibiscus. So, what is color of hibiscus? Red. Okay, herbs. What is herb? Small plants with soft and green stem. See, herbs are what? They are small. Shrubs, they are smaller than shrubs, dear. Their stem is very soft. Their size will be very small compared to shrubs. Okay, what are the examples for this, dear? We are going to see. See, coriander, you can see, na? Their stem are very soft and they grow very small, dear. Next is brinjal. After that, one more, what you are going to see? That is wheat. Wheat plant, dear children. And one more you are going to see, that is tulsi plant. We are telling some examples and many more will be there. Okay dear children. One more they are given, that is mint plant. Okay, etc. Now we are going to learn what, dear? Climbers. What do you mean by climbers? These plants are very weak. They can't stand straight on their own also. See, till now shrubs and herbs, what they were? They can stand like this. But when it comes to climber, see in the poster you can see clearly. They will be, can't even stand straight without, they need support like stick, we have to add it and then they can stand. Okay, their stem is actually very weak. So these are known as what? Climbers. So you came to know climbers, herbs, shrubs and climbers. And before that, what we have learned? Trees. So see, for example, for the climbers, peas plant, grapes, that is money plant. After that, one more example you have been seen only. Now we are going to see creepers. Okay, these plants with a weak stem grow along the ground. Okay, see. First, what we see, climber and creepers are almost similar. Their weak are also stem, but here they grow with ground. Here you can see these are creepers which grow with ground. For example, you can see in poster they are touched to ground. That is pumpkin plant. They are touched with ground. Okay, we can't make stick or support to them. One more is watermelon, bottle ground plant. Okay, dear, these are the difference. What you have to learn. So leaves, you can see many kind of leaves. There are different shapes also. Leaves, it's not necessary it should be in one shape only. You have seen in poster. See, for example, neem leaf, it is very small. Other leaves are in other shapes. Other leaves, other shapes you are going to find. Now this is mango leaves. Again, next you are going to find neem leaf. After that you are going to find what? Pine leaves. After that, what you are going to find, dear children? This is people leaf. Okay, dear children. Here your chapter gets over. Okay. Thank you, children. I hope you have come to know this chapter.